Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening around the world. Eto, ayos time sa garden. Mag-aayos tayo ng garden. Ayan yung roses natin. Ayan guys. Alang bango. Tanggalin daw yan mga yan para uusbong pa. Ayan guys. This one as well, look, darling. Or maybe I plant that one, that red. Oh, this the one marmara kamote is going to your thingy, look. Acer. Is climbing in your acer. There. So what are you planting there then? You do it like that?
Yeah. Plant anything.
I thought your acer there. Okay. Ang daming, ayan yung garden natin guys. Yung mga roses natin. Diba? Itong marmara kamote sa atin to eh. Sinisira niya yung halaman. Marami pa akong itatanim guys. Ayan, hanging basket. Ayan talaga naman tong marmara kamote Ito yung naninira sa mga halaman ko guys. Tignan mo, umakit ng ano. Diba guys? Yan yung ano. Ito. Hanging basket. Ayan. Tatapusin ko itong hanging basket dito. Ayan. Dasal yan. Dasal na daw. Ayan. See, that's the one. That one there. This one is potato. Ayan. So, yan lang guys. Yan. Marami pa tayong itatanim. Ayan, maganda Ayan yung garden natin. Tatapusin natin ito. Dadagdagan natin Ay, wow. Ayan, ito namamatay na. How about this one, darling? Basalya?
That's got to be planted. Something bigger.
Where? This one? Can? Or this one?
If you want, yeah.
Or that one, look.
Yeah, can, but that one needs a red dirt.
Red, that one in there, pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wait till I film this, Aisha,
Hmm.
and I'll show you what I've got there,
Yeah.
and also some other dirt. You can mix
Okay.
with that.